Welcome back, folks. Today, I'll show you the story of my coat rack or how to make a useful wall decoration. Working with wood brings me joy. I feel good energy from it, so I decided to make a coat rack wall. A practical decoration that will bring me joy every time I come home and look at it. If you like this coat rack, you can try making it at home. You'll easily handle it following this guide. But let's take a look at the coat rack. What we'll need: wooden planks, wood saw, wood burner, sandpaper or sanding block, wood paint, brush, clamps, MAMUT GLUE adhesive, coat hooks, wood screws. And here's the process. 1. First, choose the wood planks and cut them into various lengths and one long plank. Sand all planks on both sides to make them smooth and splinter-free. 2. Lay out the planks and arrange them as they'll be glued later. The bottom plank should protrude about 5 centimeters from each side. 3. Once the planks are laid out and you're happy with the positions, sketch the motif with a pencil, which you'll burn into the wood using a wood burner. 4. Check the burned motif, and if everything looks good, you can start painting. 5. I diluted the wood paint in a 1:1 ratio because I wanted to impregnate the wood to preserve the motif. 6. Next comes drying and sanding the paint to create a patina and highlight the wood's grain. 7. Now, lay the long plank on the bottom, apply glue to it, and arrange all the planks as you align them at the beginning. 8. Be careful to leave about 5 centimeters without glue on each side. On top, we'll need another long plank to clamp the glued planks together. Let them rest like this for about 24 hours. 9. Once you're sure the glue has dried, unclamp it, attach the coat hooks, and drill 2 holes on each side to attach the coat rack to the wall. Also, drill holes in the wall and insert wall plugs and stronger screws, depending on the type of wall you have at home. 10. And that's how it hangs and brings joy. Thank you for your attention.